Jackie. None of this is real.
Here you go, Jackie.
Come on, Jackie, let's you and me head up. The church put on a beautiful service.
Yeah, they did it right, didn't they, Vinny?
You bet. Top shelf all the way. Classy. A little long, but you know us Catholics like to talk. You know, boss, we're all thrilled that you got your thing back, but, you know, some of the boys are thinking maybe this hit has something to do with that, and, you know, well, no disrespect, but...
Just spit it out, Vin.
You know that ain't no one's gonna back you up more than me, Jackie.
Just give the boys something to go on, okay? Look, not for nothing, you spent 4 days in the back room with that crazy prick Johnny when by rights you should have been dead. We just want to know what we're up against here, you know?
Let's go up. People are gonna be glad to see you back in one piece, boss. I tell you, it wouldn't have been the same seeing your Aunt Sarah off without the old Jackie Estacado.
I'm sorry for your loss, Jackie.
So then some crazy fucking Lord of the Rings and SWAT gear looking motherfucker tries to drag Jackie off, right? After shooting him in the face.
My condolences, boss.
I know this is a tough pill to swallow, Jackie. But she's home now, right? Buried here with the rest of your family. It's a shame Jenny wasn't buried here too, you know. She was family to you. I'm sorry she's gone.
She's always with me.
Jackie, I know what a terrible burden you carry, but carrying that burden is what made you strong. What'll get you through this. I want you to know I think you...
Get out of here! Someone get over here, quick! What the fuck?
That's one tough old lady, Jackie. How many times do I have to shoot her before she surrenders?
You must have your revenge!
Well, looky here. Fuckface and pals.
Jackie, they're coming over the walls!
You must have your revenge!
Jackie, they're coming over the walls!
Stay away from the light!
This one now is the darkness!
Here we go!
Standing around.
She was the first to marry more.
My darling, at your service.
Quit it! Have it? I can't hear Help me, brothers!
Now where did it go? Oh, there it is.
Please, God, save
Pull the lights out. Cover. Nice. Oh, let's do some random mischief.
Its power is in the dark! Kill the host! It's the host! I'm going You're messing with power you can't understand!
Shield.
Your destiny lies in everybody here.
Oh, are those tears, Jackie?
Good day.
Kill the demon! What the fuck? Motherfucker!
Hang on to your balls, Nancy!
You better run!
Punish him. Over there, monkey! It wasn't me.
I'm sure there's someone here.
Enough of this!
I know where you are.
Nice and dark, just how we like it. Recycling, so responsible.
It's the one!
I feel naughty. I borrowed this stuff.
There's something here. Eat this! Watch your back! Wait a little bit.
Let me at him. I got you. Over it. You should die back.
No fair!
That time.
There's the carrier!
Oh, let's do some random mischief. Dark and toasted. There's a proper shield.
Done, host!
Come on, you tosser.
I'm going to look over there. Let's see.
Recycling, so responsible.
Talk now. He's right there. That's not.
Find his face.
I can only see light. Where is the
Tear someone apart now. Where did he go? Darkness Harrier is here! Stay away from any watch my back!
Die, you piece of shit carrier! Hey! That actually hurt! There you go, fuckface! The worst to you, Jackie! Here I
Feast on his flesh.
Bit of a pop gun, don't you think, monkey? Is there some random mischief?
Oh, no! Did you hear that? He's right there!
Be back soon, dipshit! Hey, ready? Better fuck you up, Jackie boy! Get ready, shit for break! You got us to go! Motherfucker! Try that again! Fuck me! Hands up, Jack! I'm gonna enjoy watching you. of your revenge! Too slow! I'm gonna tell you to pay! No! That actually hurt! Brotherhood! Prepare to get fucked!
You're just a vessel for the darkness, Estacado. You're a flesh-covered suitcase. A temporary...
Let's cut his tongue out!
Finish. Go ahead. Kill me. You know you want to. This is my reward. I welcome this suffering in the name of the Brotherhood.
Where's your boss hiding?
What makes you think he's hiding, huh? Hiding from weakness like you? He's at Hellgate. You remember Hellgate, don't you, Jackie? So many fond memories there, huh? Come pay us a visit. We're waiting for you.
Hellgate, huh? Thanks for the help, asshole.
First time you kill a man, you come to a crossroads. You learn something about yourself. You don't learn what you're capable of or how bad a person you are or any of that bullshit. You learn you can sleep at night after, or you learn you can't. You're either haunted, or you're not. I was 16 years old the first time I killed a man. And I slept like a baby every night since.
Everything okay, boss?
Oh, I had it with these guys, Jackie. We gotta put an end to this.
That's the plan, Vin.
Let me know what you need me to do.
Sit tight. I'm gonna check in with Johnny.
Anything you say, boss. And when you're ready to put these fucks down, you say the word.
Medicine ain't poison just because they say it is. You look at the four faces of evil. One's always turned away from you. These frickin' pricks are everywhere. Egypt.
Jackie, I heard what happened. Jesus Christ.
I think I'm losing my fucking mind. I keep seeing that loony bin. And it's getting worse. I mean, it's like I'm losing time or something.
Jackie, listen to me. This is what the darkness does. It confuses you. So I'm thinking maybe it would be a nice time to go visit Hawaii or Fiji, someplace nice, warm, and way the fuck away from these guys.
No. They're holed up at the old boardwalk in Astoria. Place called Hellgate Field. Me and Jenny used to go there when we were kids. That's where I'm headed.
Jackie, you gotta think carefully. This could be a trick. The whole thing, it smells like a trap.
That's 'cause it is a trap, dummy, but I don't have a choice. I can't let it keep hurting Jenny.
Don't let them take the darkness, Jackie. You do that. We are all fucked.
What about the siphon?
You can't let the darkness have it. You do that. We are all, once again, fucked. Not even the Angelus could stop the darkness then.
Great. So I'm fucked either way. Listen, Johnny. Thanks for everything.
Anytime, Jackie. Just, never, ever, ever again. Okay? Hey, if you die, can I have all your books? What? Is it too soon? Oh, yeah. See this sexy guy right here? This is the Darkman. As you can tell by the cute little demon heads on either side, the Darkman was one of your predecessors. In fact, he's the first Darkness host we have any record of. We know there have been hosts before him, but none of them got statues, so fuck them. No one knows who the Darkman was or where he came from. All we have to go on is one passage from the Hidden Testament of Moses. If I can paraphrase, it says, he walked out of the wilderness, a dark man who spoke with authority. Like James Earl Jones. And those words were black, even though wisest were swayed. Cue 40 years of horror unlike anything the world had ever seen. Oh yeah, you heard that correctly. 40 fucking years. Moses wasn't lost in the desert for 4 decades. He was fighting a war against Mr. Tall, Dark, and Stretchy. Seriously, I mean, what's up with this guy's neck? He's like a giraffe. Anyway, what were we talking about? Oh, the 40-year war, 40-year war. Before the war had ended, the Dark Man had eaten Moses' heart, which is the real reason Moses never saw the Promised Land. It's also probably why the Dark Man got a statue. I mean, killing Moses is a pretty big deal, historically speaking. Gotta trust your instincts, Jackie. Okay?
Fuck.
Just don't.
Did this
let
all go
these
shit-shaped in a
motherfuckers send
hurry?
you the wrong way,
Not good,
okay?
boss.
This is a bad deal, Jackie. A very bad deal. I've been talking to Vinny. Maybe we should lay low for a while. Let things settle down.
That's smart thinking. And all of you should do that. But I'm ending this. Tonight.
What the hell's that supposed to mean?
It means I'm going by the old boardwalk up in Astoria. They have something there I need.
What's this all about, boss? Just say the word. Me and the boys are ready to bust some fucking balls. These pricks got the nerve to come in here?
No, Vinny. I put you guys at risk because of my thing. I'm not doing that again. I gotta do this on my own, all right?
Jackie, come on, I can't...
That's an order. Hear me?
You got some balls, kid.
Fellas, if I don't come back...
None of that, Jackie. I'll see you when you get back. Got it?